Okay, seriously, I doubt you try this gelatin trick that Melissa McCarthy used and don't see your belly fat melt away on its own. And then, a new trick went viral on TikTok among celebrities. Every day, a new Hollywood secret was showing up in my feed. The truth is, the original recipe got twisted. The internet is full of fake versions created just to generate views, likes, and engagement. The real recipe was created by a real doctor, Dr. Oz. I saw it and tried it. Look at me last Christmas. I could have been mistaken for Santa Claus himself because of the size of my belly. Well, I had to buy a size S pajama for Christmas Eve this year. I didn't do anything extraordinary to get there. It was literally a bowl of gelatin with 3 ingredients prepared in less than 30 seconds that Dr. Oz revealed on his live show. And I still can't believe it. My stubborn belly fat disappeared. I got my body back and did all of this from the comfort of my home. Even at my last appointment, the nurse told me, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. That's when I knew it was real. It's too simple, too effective, and it's driving big pharmaceutical companies into bankruptcy. That's why they try to remove the video every time Dr. Oz publishes it. But here's the good news, because you'll be able to watch Dr. Oz showing the real pink gelatin trick for free through my access link right below. That way you can start feeling your pants getting looser in the first few days. Oh, and when the compliments start coming in, you'll want to come back here and thank me. So tap the button now and thank me later.
There's a house built out of stone. When the floors, walls, and windows sides.
But something ringing true as you stand aloof, saying you need your proof. I'm telling you, child. Kissy as it. Somebody seemed to think you were a cuttable. Somebody seemed to think you didn't need your love. But something ringing true as you stand aloof, saying